Hey guys, this is Game with Jahmari, and we're gonna be doing a prank on my brother Isaiah, cause I pranked my brother Josiah, and we're gonna trick him that this is one of the little poppers. So we're gonna trick him that this can pop. Look, cause it's already busted. Where'd it go, guys? Comment down below if you can see it. I found it, guys. Right here. Okay, let's get my brother Isaiah. Isaiah!
Huh?
Come here.
Okay.
Hello. A minute. Here. Pop this. There's one more.
Yes,
Pop it. No, just pop it. We got you good. It's actually a prank. Guys, we pranked him and he's eating right now. So I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Press the little notifications button. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.